the international community should never turn a blind eye to torture, even when it has definitively stopped and lies firmly in the past. If it does, the potential to reintroduce these insidious and counterproductive interrogation methods lies around like a loaded gun, waiting to be wielded by the next unprincipled and short-sighted leader who's failed to grasp the lessons of the past. To hear President Trump, in the first days after his inauguration, glibly extolling the virtues of torture as a weapon in the fight against terrorism, and confirming his personal willingness to authorize the use of torture if asked to do so, was enough to make the blood run cold. It shows a staggering level of ill-preparedness to govern. That statement in itself, never mind whether it's implemented, in itself has undermined the international prohibition on torture and has elevated the risk that suspects will be tortured, producing unreliable, often useless intelligence, violating fundamental international norms and increasing the risk of terrorism in response.